What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we are looking at some very interesting true wireless earbuds. First off, we've got this bone conducting headphone, which I'm a fan of. I looked at some bone conductive headphones a while back and I still use them to this day. They're great. But this is unique in the sense that it's just a single piece and you can change it from either right or left. It doesn't even matter. You can just put it on your head and it should work. So that's gonna be interesting. The other one, it's a very small little one piece. It looks like it's incredibly discreet. Not saying that anybody out there going to school should use something like this, but I'm just saying, if you so happen to be in the position where you need to hear some audio in a place where you're not supposed to have headphones on, this could actually solve those problems. This one's only $9 and this is $18. So this actually comes in 5 different colors. You've got pink, white, sky blue, light khaki, and black. This comes in 3 different colors: cherry red, jet black, and white. First off, the bone conduction headphone. Now this is Bluetooth 4.1. They're saying that it has noise reduction. Oh, it's the white one. Oh, okay, cool. So we get a very small USB to micro USB cable, little instruction manual. That's the whole thing. Bam. Now it looks like there's only one button. It's your multifunction button. It's an answer key, hang up, play key, pause key, and on and off switch. You've also got the micro USB port right here for charging. It's got this little pattern on it, but it feels very cheap. Feels like $9. Uh-oh, it might be dead. The battery on this one, it's a 75 milliamp hour battery. You should get 4 to 5 hours of play time with a 1 to 2 hour charge time and 120 hour standby time. There we go. All right, I'm gonna let that charge up a little bit. Now, this one is one that I'm actually pretty interested in because of how tiny and discreet it looks. There we go. It does have English, okay, so that's good. We got a super tiny USB to, I don't even know what you call that, but that is to plug it in to charge it. And then there you go. Look at that, it looks like a hearing aid. Look how tiny that is. You've got the charge port, you've got the speaker right here, and then you got your button. So it goes into the right ear. So super tiny, super discreet. Also, if you have a skin tone that's more like this than, or blue or pink, it'll be even more discreet, but overall, look at that. I just turned my head just a little bit and no, I'm not wearing an earpiece, no. No, teacher, I'm not. I'm listening. Oh, it's in Chinese. Oh, I'm guessing it's ready to pair? Yeah, it's ready to pair. Okay, it fits in there real comfortably. It doesn't create a seal at all though. Like, I mean, it's almost like I'm not wearing anything at all. It doesn't have any depth. There's no bass. It's very monotone. Clarity and like quality of sound, I guess, is not really the purpose here. The purpose here is discreetness. I mean, it works. Let's check latency. I'm not noticing any kind of latency at all, so that's actually pretty good. All right, let's check distance. All right, okay, so I got about like 18 to 20 feet away and then it just completely cut out. So it doesn't have a very long distance to it. Again, I don't think that's really the point in this. Let's make a phone call. It's ringing. Yo, can you hear me? Sounds a little quiet. Yeah, you sound a little quiet too. Say something again. Almost sounds like we're on like a radio system or something, like a walkie-talkie. Yeah. Okay. All right. So yeah, to me, he sounded a little bit like we were on like a 2-way radio, and he said the same thing. He said if he was in the car driving, probably the road noise would completely just wash me out. Also, totally forgot, shake test. Ugh. Ugh. We're good. Didn't even move. Not even a little. Hopefully this one is charged up enough. Power on pairing. There we go. So just like that, or boom, just like that. Now this one I can tell clearly is not gonna pass any shake test, but nope. Oh, that definitely gets louder than the other one for sure. Hey, that's not bad. I mean, it's not like a good pair of professional IEMs or anything, but this is doable. Can you guys hear it? Oh yeah. It's 100% noise leak. Either ear sounds the same. That actually sounds pretty good. The vocals are coming through really clearly. I hear them just fine. And there's no latency, which is good. Let's check the distance. All right. So I actually got the same distance that I did with this, and then it just started cutting out. All right, let's make a phone call. Let's see how this one sounds. No, well, so better than the other one. Okay, cool. So cheaper and better sound quality and better phone quality too. Nice. All right, cool, there we go. Not bad. I definitely like this one more in the sense of just casually using it. If I want to pick it up, maybe I'm watching a video, want to be a little more quiet, maybe have a conversation this way. That's really nice and super small, very thin. You can throw it in a pocket, you can throw it in a bag, whatever. That's really cool. But in the sense of discreetness, this one definitely wins for sure. It's so small, but the sound quality coming out of this one is not good at all, especially compared to this one. And it's interchangeable. This one is not. This one is only good for the right. But all right, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.